Okay, this is Maddie May in the cat room, where we discover all the cats are bigger than she is. Say, this is like the land of Lilliput, except I'm the little one.
Oh, get a tail.
She's happy.
There's a whole new meaning to getting a piece of tail, huh?
Betty said that, I didn't. No.
You think she's big?
That could be the boss in here.
She really could. And she's the littlest one. And she doesn't care. Okay. No. No, she's coming back to my ankles. You all think that's a new play toy? Is that a new play toy for you? Now she's lost among the black kitties.